Yes, my people, good day. You ever had this problem, check engine light on? I'm going to show you how to diagnose it accurately. So you get your scanner and you're going to check your codes to see which cylinder is misfiring. Number 3. So this is a V8. So we have 4 cylinders on the driver's side, 4 cylinders on the passenger side. Google it. Cylinder number 3 is the second from the front on the driver's side. So 1, 3, 5, 7. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove the coil from the spot of cylinder number 3, which is the suspected bad coil, and I am going to place it in the spot of number 7. And same thing, I'm going to take number 7 and put it in the spot of number 3. Now, after I do that, and I plug everything back in, I erase the codes, then I'm going to start the car back up and I'm going to power brake it. Power braking is I put the vehicle in gear, put my foot on the brake and the gas at the same time. Check engine light pops back on. Put it back in park, cut the car back on, turn it back on, check the codes to see what the misfire is. Now it's cylinder number 7. So we started at 3, then it went to 7. So we know that the coil is the problem. So it needs a new coil. That was a fix. Have a nice day.